This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the watch and phone. Charge to at least 50%, then press and hold the side button for 3 to 5 seconds to turn the watch on. Once done, open the Ptron app on your phone and grant Bluetooth and location permissions so pairing can proceed. Make sure Bluetooth is active and your phone is near the watch. This avoids connection timeouts. You'll see a device name appear in the app. Tap it to begin pairing and move to the configuration step. You'll follow the app's pairing prompt and confirm the 4-digit code if the watch displays one. This secures the link. Once paired, personalize the device. Choose a watch face, select metric or imperial units, and set daily step and heart rate targets so tracking matches your needs. Make sure to enable notification sync and grant contact and health permissions, otherwise messages and calls won't appear. After permissions, tap Sync to transfer stored data and to ensure real-time updates between watch and phone. You'll now use the watch. Swipe to navigate, long press to select, and use the side button for shortcuts. This speeds daily tasks. Regularly check the Ptron app for firmware updates and install them when the battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions. If the watch becomes unresponsive, restart it first by holding the power button. If pairing repeatedly fails, perform a factory reset from settings, then pair again. If problems persist, recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.